Okay, so we're gonna do a little different, trying to check up on other things. We're mixed here. We're gonna take off here pretty quick. That's me up here. This is cool because I can actually move this, and kind of, sort of. Yeah, we're gonna put that guy right there. There we go. I'm gonna max out here. Okay, we're gonna go on auto.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, good. Okay, 33. That's pretty good.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Remember, I do like flying in FVP mode. It makes it more jerky like this though, which I like because it kind of gives you more of the sense that you're actually really truly flying. But it is definitely much harder to control. We are just not having a good day with the reception. Ooh. Yeah. This is one of those weather days. Definitely not the most comfortable being out here right now, nor do I have the lighting that I really want to have. And this was what will happen when you get out of distance when this issue transmission feeds. And you'll be able to see what she'll do. Alright, so it is responsive to height. So we're going to continue. Yep, there she goes. The red line on the bottom left screen, that's basically pointing me in the direction of where I'm actually currently located at. Then the neat thing is you can go here, and then you can see the bubble, and you can change it. That's what's called true north. So if we want to follow true north, then you actually realize north isn't quite where you think it is. It's kind of ironic. And as you can see, going in this direction, we are closing in. It's hard to do. Kind of banking actually backwards on this one. Dropping the gimbal. Okay, there we go. increase our speed, and this work. It's never good flying at that. There it is. We are going to Brandon. Batteries need to be charged. Little.
Battery level is low.
Thank
The
you.
aircraft will go to the
I do
home
have
point in 10 seconds.
I do have
Go home.
I do have an RTH on this set at 380. So if you do not control your beepy beepy, guess what she'll do on a dead battery? Go up all the way up to 380, and then it'll come right back down. Yep. You see a nice breeze here. Yeah, we're not.
Landing. Landing.